Quarantine.
They gon' be missing you in the kitchen booth.
So de Blasio is shutting down all the bars in NYC. Shit. So you know I gotta get my last piece of fun in, you know what I'm saying? Yo, this situation is crazy. But anyway, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yo, let me get 400 likes on this joint. But anyway, like I said, man, yeah, man, I'm about to hit this bar. And damn, they really shutting it down, man. Let me tell you something. I thought that there was a travel ban for military and DOD civilians, bro. And I even asked my supervisor. Once I canceled my damn Airbnb, then he was like, "Oh no, it's not a travel ban for you." I'm like, bro. But yeah, man, damn. It's like I'm trying to get another trip in too. You know what I'm saying? Cause shit, I'm on a schedule, you know? But anyway, yo, 400 likes on this joint, man. Follow me. Be safe. Don't touch shit.
I'm knee deep in my payroll. Yeah. I'm Vito Corleone to your Fredo. My army move when I say so. I calmly move with that yayo. I think these bitches playing dead. Make sure you kill them. Do not confuse me with Teo. Nah. There's no squad exempt. Kill him at a large event.
Rick. And that is on the beat.
Won't believe it. They should just came back like, man, you won't believe it. I got so much fast, I swear you won't believe it. I could say bit fast, but you still won't believe it. Won't believe it. Won't believe it. If I show my wrist off, man, you won't believe it.
It's a big inconvenience. So ain't no more food. Yeah, they probably like, fuck that. I was like, damn. Where you at the park?
I parked around the corner.
Follow me out. Okay, a lot of crazy shit's going on today. I know coronavirus and stuff, but wait, I did not order this. And this is the good joint.
So let me get this straight. You just gonna give me all this?
What the f? I think I know who did though, but
Why? I mean, it's not my birthday.
yo, this is crazy. Who the f? I don't know who did it. Oh, so this is crazy, yo. Somebody got me a Nintendo Switch, and I don't know who caught me the joint.
God sent that. Nigga, please.
I asked my mother.
That defies logic to me.
I asked my pops.
Hell no, goddammit.
That was a stretch. Even somebody was like, yo, maybe I should pause. I was like, nah, he like, yeah, I was kind of reaching. But I even asked my...
Somebody's messing around.
You trying to make sure I stay in the crib, huh?
Not everybody thinks like you.
You know what I'm saying? Like, sorry. Because then I was like, all right, because if it was you, I was going to be like, damn, you ain't give me Mario Kart? Oh, selfish ass nigga. But then I looked, because it came from the, it came from a certain company that you got to be like military. Kind of, yeah, to get. I made sure I checked my shit to see if anything got purchased, and it didn't. So I don't know, man. This is crazy. But anyway, yo, shout out to everybody that's been copping on the sneaker sale, man. Y'all really been copping out, especially I think that's, let me see, Ernesto Cruz. Yeah, you been going heavy. You know what I'm saying? Heavy diddly dee. We ain't got 3 joints, you know what I'm saying? You know, while everybody else has the
Money.
Okay, you know what I'm saying? But when we get back, I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna go drop these off right quick. Once I get back, yo, 400 likes on this joint. When I get back, I'm gonna give you. I got 2 foolish emails that I gotta, well, I'll just say funny emails that I gotta read. Regards to the sneaker sale, yo, you gotta hear these. But anyway, yeah, man, follow me. See you in a second. All right, about to hit up the Stop and Shop right quick. Skip the whole graffiti block. Don't need none of that. Damn, Stop and Shop crazy. I gotta pick up some cause I know cats don't really like seltzer water. I love it. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna be picking up a couple cases of that. I need some lunch meat, and I'm pretty much good for everything else. But yo, shit's crazy. They talking about making everybody like shelter, like stay in the crib and all that type of shit. What's another thing? Oh, parking that's being suspended from the 24th to the 18th to the 24th. That's cool, because don't have to worry about moving the whip now, you know what I'm saying? A lot of shit's been closing though out here, but yeah, I think after this, I'm gonna probably pretty much be chilling. I've canceled my, well, I didn't cancel the flight yet. I canceled my Airbnb. Yeah, that got canceled. I guess, as long, man, I just want to be, I don't want to get nobody sick, you know what I'm saying? Or bring anything. I don't want to be on no nasty ass plane like that. It's all good. Pretty much, as long as it doesn't interfere with this one thing in the summer, I'm gonna be able to go down there. Like, my job is cool, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's that. I've been going back and forth with that, but at the end of the day, I'll chill. Damn, I was supposed to be leaving in about a week though. Wow, hype, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I'm about to fall up in here. Yeah, before we get up out of here, remember, I gotta hit y'all with that. I'm gonna hit y'all with those emails about the sneaker joint. I just got rid of the last joints too. Well, I think I got, like, left, I got the chlorophylls. Oh, and the infrared 3 Lab 5s. Holla at me. Anyway, out. All right, so about to wrap this joint up. 400 likes on this joint. Let's see. Oh, I still don't know who bought me that what is it called? Oh, that Switch. But it's open and I'm already playing it. So appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man. So yo, shout out to everybody that with me on this sneaker sale. I appreciate that. So you already know, I found 2, well, there were probably more, but these were the 2 requests that were just like real crazy. So check this out. Homie say, hello.
Hi.
I was wondering if I could pay $60 right now, but due to the coronavirus,
You know what happened? You gonna laugh your ass off.
I'm unemployed and trying to find a job.
The fuck that got to do with me?
But as soon as I get the job, I promise to pay the rest.
You know how we do it.
I'm a huge fan of you, sincerely. All right, there's a lot wrong with this. So, well, when the coronavirus came out, y'all niggas got laid off?
Yep.
I don't think that was supposed to happen like that. Number 2, if you don't have a job, I don't think you should be looking for no used sneaks. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, you know? And Bull said, he gonna shoot me to 60. Like, it's not my birthday. I don't need it. But, yeah, those were about the win like 82s. Them shits went swift like. Bama built. Swoop down on them shits. Word. Let's see. Oh, this is another one. I think boy just wanted some conversation. Boy said, in the vid, you didn't mention the size.
Size 10. These are size 10. Size 10?
What'd you say?
I'm looking for a size 9.5.
That's what I thought you said, because that's what I got right now.
Size 9.5? Size 9.5.
Well, if I didn't mention any sizes in that vid, how you knew to, you know, request about a 9.5? You know what I'm saying? I didn't mention no size.
Nothing.
One thing I did realize was, I don't know if my comment, I had pinned the comment, and I was trying to do the updates, but every time I kept going to that comment, I would keep having to repin it, so I don't know whatever happened. But yeah, man, damn near all them joints. So I got the chlorophylls, I got those UNCs, and I got like those jerseys. Like, that's it. Like, yo, just really flew. But so yo, want them joints, man, holla at me. But anyway, I am in the position that I will be in the crib for a few days now, because bars are closed. Ain't really shit to do. I kind of like got all the food I need and shit, so I'm alright. True religion spot. Tell the truth though, you let me get, somebody had offered me one, Paul had offered me one for Paul Regard. Shout out to you, he offered me one for $25 like a couple years back. I was like, nah, cause my pride, but in my mind, I was like, you know what? You know what I'm saying? Shoot it to me. But nah, yeah, so, matter of fact, I'm thinking about selling all, I got Trues, they size 36. I'm thinking about doing a big old mass sale on them shits, like, I mean a bundle, like damn near like $5 a pair, some shit like that, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know about that.
Well, it depends, damn near like, no more than $10 though. Email me, yeah, no more than $10 a pair. But anyway, yeah, so, what else, man? Y'all just be safe out here. Wash your hands. Don't do any unnecessary movement out the house. Let me do that. You know what I'm saying? But yo, it was funny last night when I was at the bar. I saw my homegirl was setting up the beer pong. I ain't never played, but in my mind I was like, this ain't gonna be the first time I play this game. You know what I'm saying? But it was the water was sanitized water, but I just didn't. I ain't want to be messing with that. But anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here again. Yo, that's crazy though with that console. Hey, last thing, I'm gonna do a what would I rock for those Air Max joints. Them are like in my mind, them are like a chill and kill, a real good chill and kill. Airplane jump, but we'll get in that later. Anyway, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that Snups. I was wondering if I could pay 60 right now. It's your boy Wavy. I noticed my channel was towards your beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you.